Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I have got a brand new beauty box to my channel and it is Pretty Little Thing. This is the gorgeous box it comes in. It's a lift top box like this. It's a really nice box, isn't it? Really lovely. Give you a quick sneak peek of what's inside. So if you've never heard of Pretty Little Thing beauty boxes before, then carry on watching. But if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's in their summer essentials box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. So if you're new to Pretty Little Thing beauty boxes, they've been running for quite a while. I don't know how long, but I have noticed them for the last couple of months or so, and I've been keeping an eye out on the boxes. So at the moment there's about 6 boxes on there, ranging from £15 upwards. This box, the Summer Essentials box, costs £20 and it has a value of £62 or £64. They ship internationally and there is shipping charges on top, but I managed to get this box for free next day delivery by using code FREENDD. So I'll pop that down in my description, as well as links to this box and links to the other boxes they've got on their website if you're interested in taking a look. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So they're not mystery boxes, you get to see exactly what's in them. There's no card in the box, but there is information about the products on their website. So the first item I picked up is this gorgeous little bag from the Flatlay company. I'm seeing more and more little things from this company, and Birchbox, the monthly subscription box, are going to be bringing out a UK limited edition box. Well, it's not a box, it's actually a Flatlay company makeup case, which is stunning. Can't wait to hear more about that. But look at this little pouch, isn't that beautiful? So what's inside it then? I'll get it out and show you. It's a mask. It's a little eye mask. It's a little lightly padded, really super soft eye mask that is nice and stretchy. I have got quite a few of these now, so I might pass this one on, but I absolutely love the design, so I might not. But I do like this pouch, and I'll be putting things in there, especially if I go away for the night, maybe putting my hair products or necklace or something like that. I do really like it. Yeah, it's just I got loads of these. Now, next we've got a lip balm by Bondi Sans with SPF 50. I love the fact that it's SPF 50. Yeah, it's really good. Bondi Sans, fab brand. I use all their fake tans. I use them all the time. Toasted coconut sunscreen. It soothes, protects and hydrates. So yeah, really chuffed with that. That is going to go straight into my holiday bag. I'm not going to use it until then. I've got a little bag. It's a cabin bag type thing, so it's like a hold all. That's the word, hold all. So in there has things that I need for when I go abroad anyway. It sounds like I go away all the time, but it's not. I've only started going away since I hit 40 a couple of years ago. I've been having kids since I was 22, so it's only now that I'm getting older that I'm actually venturing out into the world a bit more, but I love it. I am loving it too much that I'm obsessed now, and I cannot wait to go on my next adventure. I'm talking too much. I've got a hold all, and in there I've got little things like this ready for my next adventure then. I love that. Factor 50 lip balm. You see factor 15, factor 20, but it's like, oh really? Up the SPF, up it. I know not everyone agrees with me, it's just I've had skin cancer and it's in my family, so that's why, yeah, the higher the SPF, the better for me. Next, we've got a little Sun and Sky. This is their Australian clay mask. We've got 13 grams here. I've got the full size version of this. And yeah, it's a really nice mask. It's a pricey mask. So this little mount here was probably worth about £10. Yes, it is. It is great. Great for clearing out those pores. Yeah, I do really like that. Another item I really like as well. This is ancient, but it's a goodie. I really like it. Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula. Coconut Oil Body Lotion. 24-hour moisture. 50ml. This is stunning. This is just a really nice cream and might actually go into my holiday hold all. It smells of holidays. It's just so nice. Then I've got a serum mist by Barry M, hydrating coconut, another coconut smelling thing. Acacia, I'm not even going to say it. Collagen, something collagen, hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5. There, you can read it. The first line there, look. And yeah, what is this then? Hydrate skin with this coconut scented serum spray. This lightweight mist will keep skin plump and moisturized. City proof too, so your skin is protected from dirt and pollution. Yeah, it sounds great. Oh my gosh. That's so nice. If you love coconut, that is. If you love coconut. If you don't, then you'll be like, ugh. Oh, that's so nice. Serum Mist Hydrating a Coconut Spray. So there's that. Next, we've got a Bondi Sans. Woo, you're not going to see it except for the ring light there. Liquid Gold Limited Edition Reusable Self-Tan Application Mitt. Now, the next product I'm going to show you is a fake tan. Although I'm a little bit weary with fake tans. Bondi Sans, love Bondi Sans. Saint-Tropez, love Saint-Tropez. Skinny Tan, oh my gosh, I love Paradise. There's loads of tanning brands I absolutely love. But the tanning brand that I'm about to show you, I don't know anything about it. I don't want to turn out green, so I need to do a bit of background information about it first. Like in this mitt, it's got a little handle there so you can hang it up somewhere. It's got a lining so then the tan doesn't go through and tan your hands, which some of the earlier mitts used to, and it's like, well, what's the flipping point in having a mitt then, isn't it? It's just if it's going to soak through and you're going to have brown hands anyway. But no, I do really like that. It's just nice and soft, really nice and soft. So then the tan is Iconic Bronze. Have any of you heard of it? Iconic Bronze, no. Luxury Tannin Mousse, quick drying, streak free, olive tone. I love the sound of that, olive tone, yes. But I don't know if my skin tone can ever get a nice olive tone. I don't think so. But we've got 50 mils here. If any of you have tried this, please let me know what it's like, especially if you've got really pale skin like me. And I like to go dark. My skin tone doesn't tan that well, so I need to go for the darkest so that it makes me feel like, yeah, you know, I feel like I got a tan now. Instant ready to wear colour, long lasting and even wear off, olive golden glow, moisturising, quick drying, free from like nasties like parabens and harsh chemicals. So yeah, I need to learn a little bit more about this. Or I just go for it and make sure I don't have to leave the house for a couple of days just in case it all goes wrong. And then the last item in the box is by Doll Beauty. It's Doll Light Shine Bright, and it's a highlighting powder. Yeah, Shine Bright is the actual shade. Beautiful packaging. So let's have a go. Oh, it feels really nice. There. No, for me personally, that is not a shade. It is a shade I'd go for. It's just too metallic-y for me. Yeah, oh, it's pretty though. Oh, it is really pretty. Oh, I need to try it. I need to try it. That is really pretty. It feels lovely on the skin. It's blending really nicely as well. But yeah, I can imagine with a really nice golden tan. Yeah, just the high points, I think that'd be lovely. I don't want super shimmery, strobing, glittery, metallic-y looking highlighters. That is just going to make me look older than what I am, basically. So I'm going to see what that's like, but I got a feeling I might pass that on. But yeah, so those are all the products in this £20 Pretty Little Thing beauty box. So I'll just go through them, doing a bit of a recap. So we've got a serum mist by Barry M. We've got a Bondi Sans Lip Balm SPF 50. We've got Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Face Mask. We've got the Flatlay Company Little Pouch and Eye Mask. Got a Palmer's Coconut Oil Body Lotion. Got a Bondi Sans Tannin Mitt. We've got an Iconic Bronze Fake Tan. And lastly, we've got a Doll Beauty Highlighter. So yeah, so the cost of the box is £20. It has a value of £62 or £64, I can't remember now. And there's lots of other different boxes available on their website. I wanted to purchase a box to do a unboxing on my YouTube channel so that I can show you and tell you all about it, so it's something for you to look out for maybe. But yeah, I'm really happy with the products that are in there. Lots of holiday, summer essential themed things, obviously. The only thing I don't think I will use is the highlighter. I will give it a go, but I'm predicting I will pass that on. But everything else I either love because I've tried it before, or I will use and I can't wait to use. So yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you bought any beauty boxes from Pretty Little Thing before? If so, what do you think of them? What do you think of the value of them? Or are you watching this for the first time learning that Pretty Little Thing do these boxes? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.